Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef heart. Trim, marinate, and sear quickly for best texture. Start by rinsing and patting dry, then remove fat and white membranes with a sharp knife. Slice against the grain into 1-inch pieces for tenderness. A simple marinade with acid, oil, salt, and spices brightens flavor and helps tenderize. Rest briefly after cooking to keep juices locked in for a juicy result. Start with a cold, trimmed heart and a sharp knife to make clean cuts. Cut against the grain into uniform 1-inch slices for consistent cooking. Marinate with lemon, vinegar, or yogurt for 30 to 120 minutes to tenderize without overpowering the beefy flavor. Remove from marinade and pat completely dry. Moisture prevents browning. Use a hot pan and high smoke point oil to sear quickly and create a flavorful crust while keeping the interior tender. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for unmatched comfort and a lifetime warranty, ideal for long kitchen sessions. They stay put during busy prep and keep your feet happy while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose a method based on texture you want: sear for steak-like bites, braise for shreddable consistency, or grill for smoky char. For quick searing, heat oil until shimmering and cook 2 to 3 minutes per side for medium doneness. For braising, simmer gently in flavorful liquid for 5 to 3 hours until tender. Always let meat rest briefly after cooking so juices redistribute and slices stay moist when plated.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.